in Bournemouth?
There's a few good things. Like obviously, there's good places to eat.
Can you expand?
Yeah. So in town, there's so much choice. You got like Nando's, Five Guys, Chiquitos, really good sushi bar. It's a cat cafe if you're into that kind of stuff. Yeah, there's like loads of places you can go eat. Then obviously there's the pier next to the beach, so that there's somewhere to go to. There's also mini golf. There's the VR place in Bournemouth as well.
Just loads to do.
So yeah, like when you come down, and then that's during the day, and that's just like kind of discounting, like just showing them the area and stuff, because it's a cool area to look around.
And then at night.
And then at night, obviously, like
nightlife.
There's like there's bars everywhere. So and they're good. They're pretty big bars, most of them. And obviously there's clubs as well. Like I feel like that's just like the only like two things you'd really do at night.
At night,
So
well, you don't go to the beach at night, maybe?
oh yeah, you can go to the beach at night. I think the beach is pretty cool actually. Like the walk down is really good, and like yeah, you can have a barbecue on the beach if the weather is
Set right
for it.
Have you done the summer ball?
I didn't go last year, no.
And why did you not go last year?
Just simply because I just didn't have time. Like I was like packing up to go. This year I'll probably try to go.
You're gonna go summer ball this year?
Yeah, I'm just gonna try to go this year.
So, why did you choose university